Assalamualaikum friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Umm-E-Hani Vlogs, and it is me, Umm-E-Hani Kamran. I hope that everyone is doing great. So, I have been quite busy lately due to my exams. No, I'm not having exams, but I am gonna have them soon. So, the schedule is so bad right now. So, yeah, let's not really, imagine that up. And, a few days back, I was just thinking that what should be my new vlog on or stuff like that. And I was scrolling through the DMs, so I saw that you guys were asking to make a vlog on something related to something with my mother. And since you all like my mother so much, so I was like, I'm thinking of something. So she's gonna make me an egg, and it's gonna be a different sort of recipe. And yeah, a few days back, I was thinking to expose my dad's egg recipe, but then I was like, let's forget about it. We will do that some other day. Maybe after my exams or like in vacations. I'm not really sure. But anyways, for now, let's see how my mom cooks me an egg. And this time, she came up with a different recipe. So I'm now kinda, curious. All right. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, then what were you doing? Okay.
I'm done. बिल्कुल सीधा बनाओ जहाँ पे वो खाना वापस बनवाया करो.
No, I'm really good at flipping. It's cooking. Okay. Alright. I don't use that. I use that small one. Take the camera. Wait, can you take the camera? Take the camera. Never mind. She flipped it. Wait, what? What is that? Hey? This is. Mm. Oh my god, what's going on in here? Yeah, this one is way better. Eh.
जब वेजिटेबल ज्यादा होती है ना तो यही होता है.
Whoa. Whoa. It looks great. Amazing. Wow, look at that. Hello. Whoa. I didn't eat the eggs in the morning as like breakfast, so now I am eating it for his lunch. Mmm, it is very tasty. I like this new recipe honestly, and quite a bit crispy. Interesting. I like it. I like it.
Where is cheese?
Cheese?
Mm.
Let me see. No, yeah, I can eat it. Why did you add cheese? I'm not really good. Oh, I did. Look at that. Cheese, tomato, onion.
The cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. So guys, that's it for today's video. And I'm not making that many vlogs these days due to my exam and all that stuff. So I will get back on continue posting and all that sort of things maybe after exams. So yeah, and I was thinking to make an egg of my own exposing my dad's recipe, but I will do that as well after exams probably. And also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Also, follow me on Instagram. Keep messaging me here, and I'll see you in my next video. So till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.